Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the music to your clip in CapCut for PC. So this is basic tutorial for you guys who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So import your images or your videos you like to edit. So for instance, I'm going to add test images. Right. To add the music, you can select audio, you can select music. So search for a song name or actress you like. So you can add the music available here, or you can add the sound effect. You can extract the audio from your video, just import your video to extract it. And you can add the TikTok sound, just link the TikTok account, click on it. For example, I'm just going to add the music available here. Just click on the download icon and add the track. So you can split and remove and use it. And you can just for the option, um, just for the volume, add the padding, pad out, turn on for the noise reduction, add the voice effect, and you can adjust for the speed of the audio. Right, that's how you can add the music to your clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.